Hi friends, this is Dr. Sujata Naik once again in the series Lesser Used Gems of Materia Medica. Today our remedy is Bambusa arundinacea. The stem or the root of the bamboo plant is often used in homeopathic proving and has proved to be a very useful remedy over the years. In today's modern times, when stress is one of the predisposing factors for almost every problem, every ailment, Bambusa ought to be used more often than not. For any kind of musculoskeletal injuries, for spinal affections, spinal injuries, cervical spondylosis, lumbar spondylosis, or even sprains, for insomnia, for postpartum depression, Bambusa is a very good remedy. However, Bambusa cannot be used without its keynote symptom, and that is overwhelmed by stress. Handle things anymore cannot, overwhelmed by stress. The Bambusa plant is bogged down by stress, and its inability to be flexible, like the bamboo stem, which is very stiff. The Bambusa patient is also very stiff and rigid, cannot give in to the situation, cannot handle it, and therefore gets bogged down by it. Feels extremely depressed, angry, feels he has reached a corner and is not able to get out. Here, one of the closest running remedies would be Calcarea carbonicum, which is also having a problem with stress and feels bogged down by it, handle it cannot anymore. However, the stress of Calcarea carbonicum is mostly related to their feeling of no support. They always seek support, whether it is their parents, wife, husband, children. They want support. They want to hold the hand of the person next to them. They want to have somebody around them because they have extreme anxiety about the future. Fear happens, something will, anxiety, health about is Calcarea carbonicum. Bambusa is not about anxiety, it is about helplessness. And where helplessness comes in, there's another remedy that goes with it, and that is Lycopodium. Again here, Lycopodium differs with Bambusa in its inability to handle stress because of their unfulfilled ambition, because they cannot achieve their desire for fame or for money or for their career, which does not go the way they expect it to. And therefore they get bogged down by stress. Lycopodium is helpless, angry, but not anxious as much as Calcarea, and not as angry or bogged down by stress as Bambusa. If you have a patient of any kind of musculoskeletal disorder like cervical spondylosis or lumbar spondylosis or any kind of a spinal affection, Bambusa should be considered if Calcarea carbonicum does not act the way you think it should be, or when Lycopodium fails to give the kind of relief that you expected. Bambusa is the remedy of this century.